genuine sort of sense of love. First, love to oneself. Some cases, you see, to us it's a little strange. You see, some self-hatred, right? No. Self-hatred sort of person. Or such person, impossible to develop compassion to others. So first, you see, love oneself. Then others also just like me. They also want happiness, do not want suffering. They also have the same right. So that sort of understanding, then extend love towards your immediate people, images of the friends. Then furthermore, like the Shantadeva's 6th chapter mentioned, then eventually your enemy, entire sentient being.